Stacy.
Whoa, that was feisty. Well, hey guys, this is Queen Sushi on my hat, and I got DJ Ravioli in my hand. And look, you gotta ride the cat wave a little more. We gotta work on the cat drip. We gotta keep things cat-tastic. We gotta keep it kitty-litty. You know what I'm saying? That's spread the cat love. We love you. Bye.
So no, I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, and no. I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. I don't want none of your time, I know. How you like that?
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so cute?
These are some things my cat does that just don't make sense. He almost exclusively drinks water out of my cups and bottles, and even if he's thirsty, he usually won't drink out of his water bottle. He forgets to close his mouth sometimes, and no to the TikTok bets, he's not mouth breathing, he just forgets to close his mouth. He has an obsession with looking at the ceiling and meowing at it, even if there's nothing there. And he also likes to choose the most uncomfortable places to sleep.
Yeah.
That's why